Welcome back to ITSC 1316, and in this video we will be covering how to recover a system where you've forgotten the root or don't know the password to any of the sudo user account passwords. This process will work in CentOS 7 and similar operating systems. So that means it will work in Red Hat, but the process for doing this in Debian is a little different and not in the scope of this skill. To get started, we will have to interrupt the boot process, which can be done by clicking into the virtual machine and hitting up or down on the kernel load screen after the system goes past the BIOS screen. Make sure your current kernel is selected and not the rescue, and hit E. Now at this point, you're going to have to scroll down the page and look for the line that starts with Linux 16. At the end of this line, which gets word wrapped onto the next line, type rd.break. Once you've typed that, hit the Control key and X, and if you've done it correctly, you'll get a screen with switch _ root with a blinking prompt. At this point, you will type mount-o remount, rw /sysroot and hit enter. Next, you will type chroot /sysroot and hit enter, and your prompt will change again. At this point, you can change the password of root or whatever account you need to by typing passwd followed by the account name. It will then prompt you for a new password twice, and once you type it in, it will tell you that all authentication tokens have updated successfully. Finally, you can do one of two steps to finish. You can either type touch space /.autorelabel and hit enter, or you can type load _policy space-i, enter, and then chcon space -t space shadow _t space /etc/shadow and then enter. Doing either the first command or the other two commands will accomplish the same thing. Now you just need to reset your virtual machine and you can log in now successfully. Well, that's all for this video. You will definitely use this skill often in the real world and will be tested on it in the certification exam. So practice the commands and where to enter them as much as you can. Thanks for watching.